We'll be color grading this shot in 1 hour, 10 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's go. So we have this shot here, and then we're gonna change it to let me see, color space transform. Oh my, okay, we don't even have time to do anything. Oh my gosh, that was fast. I can't wait what I will make for the 1 hour version. And I think we're done. So you may be asking why the image looks like trash. It's because the file is an EXR file. EXR file is a data file. PNG and JPEG is an image file. And data file is good for color grading. So that's why we export EXR file from Blender. So let's try the 10-minute version of color grading this shot. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I first converted it to the correct color space that makes DaVinci Resolve to understand. And now we have the correct color space. Oh, the colors are pretty interesting. Look at this. On the white side. Ouch. Maybe we can add in some exposure a bit. Damn. It didn't break any of the images. Sick as heck. So the left side one, the break one. The right side one, it didn't break. So because it is an EXR file, the exposure did not break the image. Even though we are at the highest value already, but the right side one still maintain its color. Do we need color balance here? Let's try color balancing it. Play it a while. You see my mouse here is more blue. Blue have more. And yeah, blue have more. So we have to minus blue means we have to go opposite direction here. And we need to add more green also. So there you go. It's now color balance means lesser. The white is white basically. You can see the blue here more, but the white now is relatively the same. I also added exposure, contrast, saturation, and density, and color complementary. So what it is? In color theory, complementary colors are two colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel. Basically, it will be more pleasing to the eye. It is used in movie most often. Okay, maybe somewhere here. And I'd say it's not bad. And yep, I think we're out of time. So I'm just gonna have you a comparison of it. So before, after. So we're gonna do a 1 hour challenge. So let's get started. 1 hour, okay. I did the EXR workflow. Let me explain. First is camera exposure, input CST, color space transform, color grading, and output CST, color space transform. I learned this from Creative Stream. You should definitely follow your course if you want to gain more knowledge in this subject. And the best part is free. Literally. Go there, learn it. Color grading was never my thing as a 3D artist. So how did I learn it? I started learning color grading at February of this year because I was working as a video editor. And my boss he's a great guy. He got me this course, which is Color Grading Academy for DaVinci Resolve at Color Grading Central. I finished the course under 2 months and started learning from many colorists from YouTube about color grading. And that's my learning journey of color grading. So I'm gonna link all of the amazing resources in the description. And here is some of my practice. Continuing, I use some reference tool. Take the high point to the high point. Low point to the low point, and match some gamma. I think it's leaving on here. Okay, I think it's good. I color balance it. Blue is over the top. Just balance it out. Next, I did saturation, density, or fix the lights. Change the hue, and I want it shifted a bit, so like that. Yeah, -1, -2. And -1. I added focus points such as vignette, gamma, and here a bit. Okay, I overdid it too much. Add a bit in, maybe here. Character's head. Then you add the lift opposite. So if we remove this, if we remove the slider, oh, it's brighter. Okay. And we can do the opposite here. darker. Can you see? Make all darker. Put this white a bit. There you go. I took the overexposed and underexposed area and clean up the absolute black and white, because 0% black and 100% white is total black and white, and not tinted with other colors. Split tones. Split toning adds color scheme to the shadows and highlight of an image separately. I'm imagining the darkest area is white here, so let's look at here. Let's try something opposite, since our character is like red. So instead of introducing red, let's cut off red a bit and introduce more green inside it, and blue, make it more cyanic green blue, and we can fix it a bit here, like it go near, don't affect everyone. Red. Yep. And then we can make, I think this is a high one, so red. Oh, that's cool. Add of red, maybe we can darken it a bit. No, yeah, no. Green, blue a bit maybe, and a bit of blue. I think it's good. No, I think I can add more blue a bit. Okay, let's look at before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. I added also other effects such as halation, glow. If you want to know what am I color grading, here's and 1 second of the clip. Anyway, let's add some grain. You can adjust the strength a bit, maybe like that. And we just compound it, and we just add a bit of blur, 0.5. And I think we're done.